Hi, I'm Sam. There's a topic today that I really need to talk about, I really need to address, because you know what? I really can't take the nonsense anymore. Here's what happened to me this morning. I'm online, I'm looking at a YouTube video, a mortgage broker talking about interest rates, talking about the lowest rates that are out there today, 3.5%, 3.75% rates, and what that really means to the buyers. Now, I'm a real estate broker. I've been in the real estate business 25 years. I'm very qualified to talk about what I'm going to talk about. And here's what I'm going to say. It's really all a deception. It's really untruthful, and it's really a lie. And no one is really paying attention. Even the professionals like myself, like I used to be, are not awake and don't want to wake up. Although I've changed in the last couple years. Let me show you what I mean. I ran an amortization schedule on a typical loan of, say, $200,000 at a fantastic rate today of 3.75%, fixed for 30 years, meaning the payment never changes. Amortization schedules are what the bankers and the mortgage companies all use to figure out your payments. Let me show you what I mean. So here is a $200,000 loan at this very, very low rate. First monthly payment is going to be $926 a month, and that will continue throughout the entire lifetime of this loan. Out of that $926, $625 is interest. So you know how you figure out interest? It's very simple. You divide the interest by the total payment and you come up with the percentage. So if you take this number divided by this number, you get 67.5% interest. Yes, the first month interest is 67.5%. Take this figure times 12 and you'll find out that in 1 year one will have paid a little over $11,000 in payments on a loan such as this. Out of that number, $7,437 is interest, goes to the bank. You divide the interest by the total payment and you come up with 67%. Wow, what happened to this illusionary, deceptive carrot rate is what I like to call it. It does not exist. The only time this rate would ever truly exist if you paid this amount entirely off in 1 year or less, then yes, you're going to pay that. But who really ever does that? No one has ever done it in my career without refinancing or obtaining another mortgage or participating in another illusion such as this. So you go down all the years and you find out typically on a 30-year loan like this, you end up paying an average of 40%. If this rate was higher, let's say 5.5%, I calculated that your first yearly interest payment would be an average of 80%. That's incredible. So how come no one's really talking about this today? You know why no one's talking about it today? Because the bankers don't really want you to know. We all have become like a nation of sheep. We just accept arbitrarily and randomly that this is the accepted way to do business, and we feel as we have no other choice, which sometimes we really don't. My mission here is simply to wake people up and to empower people. Once you know the truth, at least the decisions you're making now are from a different foundation. You know the truth, you'll act within the truth. You decide what you want to do. Now, I started to wake up about 1.5 to 2 years ago, and I can't take it anymore. I can't take any of this nonsense anymore. This guy on the YouTube video, 17,000 views, and he's talking about a deception. I'm not even sure he's aware of it. He doesn't even want to pay attention, probably, because myself also years ago did not really want to know. I was really more concerned about the money that I was going to make. And now my mission is to empower those like I myself am becoming empowered. If you wish to become more empowered, go to my website and see what some people are doing today, and perhaps you might find some of their truths resonating within your own heart. Click on, watch a short video, read the material, and put your email in a box to get some more information. Do like I did myself. And I'll see you on the other side. Thank you.